So guys, I know that you guys might have seen one of this strategy before, alright? Because here in this video I'm combining two powerful indicators. Right, this here is a strategy on its own, and this here is a strategy on its own. Alright, so here in this video now I'll be showing you guys how to combine these two powerful indicators in order to get profitable entries on the boom and crash markets. Alright, so all you have to do now is to just make sure you listen to everything I will say carefully and make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Alright, this is a secret strategy, but I'll be sharing with you guys for free. Now here is how this strategy works. Alright, okay, but before I share how the strategy works with you, I would like to share the settings with you guys. Alright, so you have to first of all click on this N icon. Right, after clicking on the N icon, the first indicator here is the relative strength index, alright, which is on your indicator window 1. Now the period is 1, the apply to close, the style you have to pixel, the color is blue, and then the level you can set it to 90 and 10. Alright, so after that you click on done. The next indicator we have here is the Bollinger Band, right? So after you might have searched for this relative strength index and add it, so the icon you have to click on before adding the Bollinger Band is this one, right? So you click on the Bollinger Band, and these are the parameters, right? These are the parameters. Make sure you set it exactly the same way you are seeing it right here. So after that you click on done. Now the next indicator here is the stochastic oscillator, right? So you have to click on this icon before you add the stochastic oscillator. Alright, so this is the icon you have to click on, this one here on the main chart. Then you search and add the stochastic oscillator, which is this one. So after clicking on the stochastic oscillator, you have to set the parameters same way you are seeing it here on my screen. Right, so it's either you take a screenshot or you note it down somewhere. Right, make sure you set it exactly the same way as I've done here. Now here are the levels. The level is 15 and 85, right? So make sure you do it same way as I've done it. And then the last indicator here is the awesome oscillator. But before you search for that, you need to click on this F icon here. So after clicking on that, you search for the awesome oscillator, and then you just set it to default setting, right? And then you click on done. So that is it for the setup. Now for how the strategy works, alright, this is a very simple but powerful strategy. Now you have to wait for spike to occur. So whenever there is a spike and you see that the band expands like this, and is touching the 90 level and the 10 level, right? That is your first condition. So now what you have to do is to wait for the awesome oscillator here on the indicator window 2 to start changing color from green to red. So immediately you see that it's changing color, right? You have to go in for 5 candles. Alright, don't worry, just go in for 5. As far as your condition is met, the 5 candle is yours, right? So let me show you guys another example. You can see immediately there was spike, the band expand touching the 80, the 90 and the 10 level, right? You wait for the color to change here, and immediately it change, you take your 5 candles, you are out. Alright, here again is another example. Alright, now it doesn't matter if it's it doesn't matter if the awesome oscillator is at the overbought or oversold level, right? Your own is to just make sure the band is on the 90 and 10, and then you wait for the color here. Alright, the awesome oscillator is just to tell you when to enter, and the band is to tell you that price is at a strong support and resistance level, alright, based on the 1 minute time frame. So once you confirm these two confirmations, and then you take your 5 candles, you are out, right? So you can see it's as simple as that. Alright, so these are what you need to know concerning this strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. right, with multiple entries, right. If you follow the condition as I have explained, right, you are going to get multiple entry using this strategy, and it's a very powerful strategy that will make you money over time, right. So make sure you apply everything I've told you, right. And then one more thing, this strategy is not different from the others, so you need to follow trend also, right. It works best on a downtrend, right, if you are on boom, and it works best on an uptrend if you are on crash. So always make sure you analyze your chart, alright, using trend line before you take any entry. So the best time frame to do the analysis is on the 50-minute and 30-minute time frame, right. Then you step down to the 1 minute to take your entry. So as you can see here, price just broke our trend line, so it means that price is heading down, right. So there is a little support and resistance zone here, right. So this kind of situation is not safe to take any entry. You just wait, alright, and then once it breaks this zone, you go back to your 1 minute time frame, and then you look for entry, right. So this is the simple way you can trade this strategy, alright. It's a very powerful strategy, it's a very good one, and it will make you money over time if you follow the conditions I have given you in this video, alright. So that is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. If you are a new viewer, make sure you subscribe, because here on this channel I post powerful strategy that will help you grow your small account, alright. Small account is my target here on this channel. I want you guys that are struggling to make money with small account. I want you all to be profitable. That's why I created this channel. So if you are that kind of person, make sure you subscribe, because here that is what I do. I post powerful strategy that will help you grow your small account, alright. So that is pretty much everything, guys. Silver out.